The magic of Timmy's heart. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Timmy. He lived in a little village. Timmy was always curious and loved to explore. One day, while he was in the woods, he found an old book with strange pictures and words. He didn't know it was a magic book. Timmy tried one of the spells in the book, and something amazing happened. A rock started floating in the air. Timmy was so surprised but happy. He practiced more spells from the book and did fun things like turning pebbles into butterflies. It was like having superpowers. One day, the village well had no water. The villagers were sad and worried. Timmy wanted to help. He used a spell to make water flow from the well again. The villagers were amazed and they thought Timmy was a hero. Timmy helped the village in many ways with his magic. He fixed broken things, made plants grow better, and even helped a sick bird get better. But Timmy learned an important thing. Magic was strong, and he needed to be careful with it. He used his magic for good things and not to be selfish. The village became a happy place with Timmy's help. He showed everyone that true magic was being kind and helpful. Timmy and the villagers lived happily together. The moral of the story is that true magic lies in kindness and using one's abilities to help others. Timmy discovered magical powers but chose to use them for the betterment of his village, teaching us that we should use our talents and abilities to bring happiness and prosperity to those around us, always being responsible and selfless in our actions. Here are 10 questions about the story, The Magic of Timmy's Heart. 1. Who is the main character in the story? 2. What did Timmy find in the woods? 3. How did Timmy feel when he first discovered the magic book? 4. Give an example of something Timmy did with his newfound magic. 5. What problem did the village face, and how did Timmy help? 6. Why did the villagers consider Timmy a hero? 7. What important lesson did Timmy learn from his magic? 8. How did Timmy use his magic to make the village a better place? 9. What is the moral of the story? 10. What qualities made Timmy a special character in the story? Here are the answers to the questions about the story. The magic of Timmy's heart. 1. The main character in the story is a boy named Timmy. 2. Timmy found an old book with strange symbols and pictures in the woods. 3. Timmy felt excited and amazed when he first discovered the magic book. 4. Timmy turned pebbles into butterflies with his magic. 5. The village's well ran dry, and Timmy used his magic to make water flow from the well again. 6. The villagers considered Timmy a hero because he helped them by using his magic to solve their water problem. 7. Timmy learned that magic was a strong power and he needed to use it responsibly and not selfishly. 9. Timmy used his magic to fix broken things, help plants grow better, and heal a sick bird. 10. The moral of the story is that true magic lies in kindness and using one's abilities to help others. 11. Timmy was special because he was curious and kind and used his magical powers to make the village a better and happier place.